Hey, I'm Rachel, and I've been a Chime member since 2022. Today, let's talk about smart credit management, as in all the personalized tools to help you build, protect, and maintain your credit stress-free. With a Chime card, you build your credit with everyday purchases and on-time payments, like gas and groceries. By adding money to your account, you control exactly how much you spend on your credit building card, making it one of the safest ways to grow your credit. Plus, you'll get access to score tracking, personalized tips, and recommendations, all with no annual fees, no interest, no credit check. And fun fact, members increase their credit score by an average of 30 points. Some members have even seen their scores increase by 100 points. Let's break it all down. When you sign up for a Chime account, make sure you also get your credit building card. Don't have one yet? Apply for your card in minutes with Chime. There's no impact to your credit score for applying. The money you add to your account is what you can spend with your card, which limits the risk of overspending. You'll get your virtual card right away so you can start spending to build your credit. We'll mail you the physical card. Just activate it when it arrives to keep things rolling. It's easy to get started building and managing your credit score. Simply unlock your FICO score directly in the Chime app. Once you've enrolled, you'll see a one-stop shop with all of your credit building tools, including score factors to see what's helping or hurting your FICO score, and personalized tips and recommendations with clear steps to help boost it. Now, listen up if you want to boost your score like the pros. Already paying utility bills? You can literally build credit with those. Your phone and internet bills? They count too. When you sign up for Experian Boost, it scans your transaction history for qualifying merchants and identifies when 3 on-time bill payments have been made to them within the last 6 months. It will then let you add them to your Experian credit file, often giving your FICO score a bump right away. After that, Experian Boost keeps watching your bill payments and allows you to add new bills to your credit file once you've made 3 on-time payments in a row. To add these to your credit file, go to the Chime app and boost the new bills to grow your score. The next step is to spend money on everyday things so you can actually start building credit when you make on-time payments. By turning on our safer credit building feature, money in your credit building account can automatically pay your monthly balance on time, which we report to credit bureaus to help increase your score. That way, you're in control. And another thing, we don't report credit utilization, meaning you can use your card without ever hurting your score by showing high usage. And that's not all. Get access to SpotMe, overdraft coverage up to $200 that lets you make a purchase even if you don't have enough money in your account, all without getting hit with overdraft fees. You can also instantly disable your card to help prevent fraud and build credit using your own money. Finally, watch your score grow. Your credit score is ready when you are. Sign up today. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Chime.